How to schedule text post in YouTube channel. So let's begin the video. Once you log into your YouTube channel, you need to click View Your Channel tab and enter YouTube channel page. Next, to create a post in your channel, you need to click the Posts tab. To create a text post, enter the text content for the post in this field. To schedule the post on YouTube, you need to click here and select Schedule Post button. Here, you can select the date and time to schedule the YouTube post. When you are done, click the Schedule button. The post has been scheduled in YouTube. The scheduled post can be seen under Schedule tab. Once past the scheduled date, the post will be found under Publish tab. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates for more videos.